alone will make a huge impact since galing talaga siya sa pamilya na tuto. And after all, their family is rags to riches.
Oy, te! Saan ka galing? Bumoto lang. Bakit? Bumoto ka? Hindi, no? Hala, bakit naman? It's for us din naman. For our sake, and we should really participate in this kind of things. And also, projects of the municipality for a better environment. Congrats, she wants it! How are you, Mayor?
Thank you for all your support.
You're welcome.
Ay naku, ang daming gawain. Pero kailangan ko ito gawin para sa taong bayan.
Ay sige, excited na po yung dati. Alam ko,
Grabe yung hardworking ni Mayor, no? Ano talaga kapag galing ka ng sarili? Yes, girl. And-admire ko rin yung dedication niya so much. If you want a better country, then choose wisely.
Bumoto ka para alam mo nakakatulong ka para sa kapakanan.
Hindi tayo basta-basta tatakbo. May paroroonan tayo.
Bumoto ka, pero alalahanin mo,
Dapat tayo kayo.
we the people, power in action.